Alright, hello everybody, Zaxtor99 here. I think I made a video about this some time ago, but I want to go ahead and make another video answering the question for you guys that edit your own videos and upload videos to your YouTube channels or any other website where you're wanting to decrease the size of a file after editing it. So there's a great free program you can use to drastically reduce the size of a file before you upload that keeps the quality intact. And I'm going to show you that, and I'm going to demonstrate it right here. So in this particular situation last night, I processed a video with my video editor, Cyberlink Power Director, and this was live stream under the moonshine episode number 223. And after I got done editing the video, which is about an hour and a half, you see as I hover my cursor over the video here that it's an hour and 31 minutes, but 17.6 gigabytes. That's a huge video to try to upload to YouTube. It's going to take you forever. And if you're under a bandwidth restriction, like if you only have so many gigabytes before you have to start paying more or something like that, yeah, this could cost you a lot of money in overages. So not really the most efficient way to upload videos when you have huge files like this. Now, after using the available free program on Windows, Handbrake, and I'll show you how to get this, the link is down below in the description. The same video, guys, exactly the same video, hour and 31 minutes, is reduced to 239 megabytes. So 17.6 gigabytes reduced to 239 megabytes. And let me show you the quality difference here. So here we have my live stream Moonshine number 223. This is my 17.6 gigabyte file right here. And this here, as you see, Moonshine 223, this is my 239 megabyte file right here. Let's go ahead and put these pretty much side by side. Let's go ahead and hit play over here.
Which is our elbows frontwards and extends your spine.
Turn that down a little bit. And then here. And as you can see, guys, there really is no difference in video quality here on this particular visual novel. Might not be the best demonstration, but I can assure you that even in a fast action game with all kinds of special effects and stuff like that, the video quality is no different. In fact, in this particular example, the 239 megabyte looks a little bit brighter after reducing the file size. So yeah, there's a difference for you guys. The biggest difference is 17 plus gigabyte file size. Huge file to upload, reduced down to 239 megabytes. Insane. So let's go ahead and show you how to use the let's go ahead and close these. So let's go ahead and show you how to get the program for first. Okay, so all you're going to do is just Google Handbrake. It'd help if I could type. As you can see, I already have it up here, so just go ahead and Google the word Handbrake, all one word, and brake spelled B-R-A-K-E, not like break it, like brakes on a car. So Handbrake, and you'll see the first thing that comes up is Handbrake open source video transcoder. So you can just come here to the download, you can look at the features, whatever you want right here, but this is the one you want, the handbrake.fr. That's where you're going to go. And like I said, you could just go here to download. You can download it from Mac, Windows, or Linux, and download whatever you want. You have mirrors available, whatever you want. You have support, all kinds of stuff right here, completely free. Now let's go ahead and show you how to use Handbrake once you download it. Super simple. So you're going to open it up, and it's going to say, hey, what file are we trying to reduce in size here? So if you just have a single file, you're just going to click right here. And then we're going to go ahead and choose that Moonshine video. Moonshine, that's not it. This one here. This is the one that's 17.6 gigabytes. We want to reduce that. So we're going to go ahead and double click that one. It'll take a second to load. Now we see that's the source. It tells us how long it is, all the good stuff. You don't really need to mess with anything up here. This is just showing you information. Now we're going to say, hey, where are we going to, where do you want to put your new video? So if you want to put it on the desktop, just go ahead and click Browse. Find what you want up here, desktop for example, and we're just going to call this, you know, butt face. Whatever you want to call it, put it here. Make sure it's a different name, okay? And then you want to save it as MKV or MP4. I think for most people, you're just MP4 is fine, the default. And then you're going to go ahead and hit save. And then here, you have some different choices. So it's going to show you the width, the height, automatic. I just usually leave all this stuff alone. And then under video, you know, you can choose your frame rate. I just left all this stuff on automatic. And the quality. So if you do have a video game video, for example, and it's like really dark, for example, you might want to change this a little bit higher than the default, because the further you move it this way, the bigger the exported file is going to be, but the higher quality you're going to get. But for a visual novel, I probably could have reduced this a little bit and had the file size even smaller, but I just left it at the default like 22. And then audio, you know, if you want subtitles, whatever, you can put all that stuff in. Again, I didn't change any of this, guys. I just left it all as is. The only thing I did here is I actually clicked this web optimized right here, and then all you do is hit start encode, and it will take a little while for this to process. As you can see, it's encoding, and it'll tell you how much time you have left. So this took my computer about an hour and a half to process, and shows you how much elapsed time you have, how much time remaining, and your FPS you're getting here while you're processing this video. So, you know, this is still going to save you a lot of time on your upload. You know, if you're trying to upload 17 gigabytes to YouTube, it's going to take forever. So going through this process to reduce your video size may well, you know, be worth the time here that you're waiting for this to process. But I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys Handbrake and what a great free tool and application this program is. And hopefully this will help somebody out. If it has helped you out, make sure you hit that like button down below, guys, and let me know by liking the video, or let me know by commenting down below. This has been Zaxtor99. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Take care.